Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'll share a simple and effective meal plan for faster fat loss based on 3 principles: creating a calorie deficit, eating enough protein, and choosing whole foods. 1. Calorie deficit: consume fewer calories than you burn. Calculate your maintenance calories and reduce intake by 250 to 500 calories daily for a safe weight. Loss of 0.5 to 1 pound per week. 2. Protein intake: aim for at least 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight daily. Lean meats, eggs, fish, tofu, and nuts are excellent sources. Protein helps maintain muscle mass, boosts metabolism, and reduces appetite. 3. Whole foods: choose natural, unprocessed foods. Focus on fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, seeds, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods high in sugar, salt, and additives. Example meals: breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and tomato, whole wheat bread. Oatmeal with blueberries, milk, and seeds. Protein smoothie with berries and oat milk. Lunch: tuna salad with lettuce, cucumbers, tomato, whole wheat pita. Hummus and vegetable wrap, piece of fruit. Chicken salad with lettuce, corn, whole grain rice cake. Dinner: bean chili with cauliflower rice, side of salsa. Sesame salmon, purple sprouting broccoli, sweet potato mash. Lentil bolognese with zucchini noodles, side salad. Snacks: apple slices and peanut butter. Tangerine and cashew nuts. Carrot sticks and hummus. These meals are nutritious, satisfying, and easy to customize. Remember to stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and exercise regularly for enhanced results. Let me know your questions or feedback in the comments. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.